Hello guys, I am going to fix a login code required for Facebook problem. So first of all, you have to open your Facebook where you got this problem. Like this type of the problem, you have to press OK here, and then here you have to put the login code, but you don't receive the login code from Facebook. So you just have to click on having trouble and then click on the Chrome option and then click on the next option. Here you have to put your email address and then also confirm this email address and then click on the next option here. After clicking on the next option, it will take a while, and here you have to select your CNIC or national ID and then click on the next option. Here you have to take a picture by clicking on get started and then click on allow button here, and then you have to take a picture of your CNIC or ID card. Please submit it here like this, and here you will got a notification. Thank you for submitting your information. We usually review IDs within 24 hours. So guys, you will get response within 24 hours. I hope this video worked for you. Give this video a like and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide for more information. Thanks for watching.